Ball?
I can't have no hands.
Sure. Mara. Mara. Ball?
How do you do it? I don't know.
The ball? Get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Oh, you almost got it.
Are we bad parents?
That's the same thing. Oh. Uncle Tim, help me. They took away my hand. Hey, what, your woo back? Your woo back? Your woo back? Just hold it with your mouth like a dog. It's okay.
Say bye.